Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Errors in books of accounts. Errors may occur in presentation of books of account due to arithmetical mistakes, accounting principle mistakes, casting or balancing, etc. These errors should be properly rectified. Types of errors. Error of omission. Such error occurs when a transaction is omitted either wholly or partly in the books of original entry. Such error does not affect trial balance. Errors of commission. Such error occurs when a transaction is recorded incorrectly either wholly or partly. For example, wrong casting, wrong recording, wrong posting, wrong carrying forward balance, wrong balancing, etc. Error of recording does not affect the trial balance, while the error of castings and carrying forward affect the trial balance. For example, a credit sale of rupees 2132 was posted at rupees 2312. Errors of principle. Errors committed due to wrong application of the principles of accounting. For example, assets purchase is recorded in purchase account. Compensating error. When one error is compensated by another error of opposite nature. For example, purchase books and sales books both are undercast by rupees 500. Errors of misposting. Amount posted to a wrong ledger. It will not disturb agreement of trial balance but will affect respective ledger accounts. Errors of multiple entries. If both aspects of transactions are entered more than one in the books of original entry, the trial balance will still agree but the balances of individual ledgers account will be wrong. Totaling of subsidiary books. If the total of a subsidiary book is wrong or wrongly carried forward, in such case the trial balance will agree. Miscellaneous errors. Sometimes errors of other nature are incurred which may or may not affect agreement of trial balance but may affect individual ledger balances. Suspense account. If the two sides of trial balance do not agree after the transferring of all ledger accounts including cash and bank account, even after scrutiny it implies that there are certain one-sided errors in the books of account. The amount of difference in the trial balance is temporarily put in an account known as suspense account. If the debit side of trial balance exceeds the credit side, the difference in the trial balance is transferred to the credit side of suspense account and vice versa. Suspense account is a temporary account when all the errors affecting the trial balance are located and rectified. The suspense account will be automatically balanced and closed. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.